Welcome to this episode. Today, we will discuss what the expectations are for manufacturing buildings and facilities. When it comes to drug manufacturing, the buildings and facilities used in the process are of critical importance. Any buildings used for manufacturing, processing, packaging and holding should meet the requirements for size, construction and location. There should be enough space for equipment and materials to prevent mix-ups between different components and potential contaminations. Different operations should be performed in the designated areas and there should be control systems in place to prevent contamination. The quality control unit should review any materials, labels, containers and testing results before releasing them for manufacturing or packaging. There should be written procedures regarding responsibilities for cleaning and sanitizing, which explain in detail the schedules, materials, equipment and methods. There should be written instructions for use of rodenticides, insecticides, fungicides, fumigating agents and cleaning and sanitizing agents. Any buildings used in manufacturing, processing, packaging and holding drug products should be maintained in a good state of repair. Any equipment used in manufacturing, processing, packaging and holding drug products should have appropriate size, adequate design and suitable location in the facility. The equipment should be made of materials which are not reactive, additive or absorptive, which could affect the safety, identity, strength, quality or purity of the drug product. Any lubricants or coolants used in the manufacturing and processing processes should not come in contact with components, drug product containers, closures, in-process materials and drug products. Any equipment should be maintained and cleaned at appropriate intervals of time to prevent malfunction or contamination. This should be explained in a written procedure. Equipment should be inspected for cleaners immediately before use and records should be maintained regarding cleaning and sanitizing. If automatic, mechanical or electronic equipment is used, it should be routinely calibrated, inspected and checked according to written instructions. This applies to computers too. Appropriate controls should be in place to prevent unauthorized access to master production and control records. Backup of data stored on computers should be maintained. Filters used for manufacturing, processing, or packaging of injectable drug products should not release fibers. Fiber-releasing filters can be used only if it is not possible to manufacture the product without them. If fiber-releasing filters are necessary, then they should be used together with non-fiber releasing filters with pore size rating of 0.2 micron to reduce the release of particles. Last but not least, asbestos-containing filters are prohibited. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact us if you need more information.